Alright folks, here we go about a year and a half after the Strutmaster air suspension delete kit on a 2009 Lexus LS460 standard wheelbase. As you'll see, the front ride height has deteriorated very badly. A lot of sag in the front springs. I'm going to go ahead and just show you. Put a ruler up there just to show you how it really dropped. So we have a ride height here of roughly just below 3.5 inches. The back seems to be doing just fine, but the front definitely has got some issues going on. It's been very noisy, very knocky in the car, a lot of suspension noise. So we're gonna take the front struts out and replace them with another brand of struts to see if it cures the problem. So here we go. Okay, here's the existing Strutmaster shocks that we installed roughly a year and a half ago. It is under the sticker here. So he bought these from here. He rebranded them. Pick Auto. Yeah, because this guy is doing the same shit he is. So here we go. We've got Strutmaster shocks that are supposedly made in America and made from a special warehouse in North Carolina. Turns out they're FCS struts. They're Chinese struts. They're from China. What I have here is I have brand new FCS struts that I'm going to be putting in from Rock Auto. It's an identical strut. Identical strut. Okay, just a quick time saver here when you're taking out these spring shocks, struts, whatever you want to call them. You only need to remove the front upper control arm. Just whack it right there with a hammer. It'll pop loose, gives you all the room in the world to pull the strut down, get it out. Here we go, folks. 4 3/4 ride height. Okay, here we go. Here's the first road test after the new FCS struts are installed. So far, very smooth ride. Very quiet. Extremely quiet. Basically like a factory ride with car with no air suspension. Alright, so to sum it up, these struts are definitely the way to go. Super quiet, really handles really well. Yeah, I guess the ones that came from Strutmaster were some old stock, or maybe there were some issues with them, but these are definitely good. Check them out after we get some miles on them and report back.